Underwater archaeology is really fascinating. Under the water surface there is an abundance of really interesting sites. Just think alone about the amount of shipwrecks. In the Netherlands we have 66,000 points on our sea and riverbeds. So there's still a lot to do for us. Being an underwater archaeologist means that you have to go to the site diving, and you're often the first person who sees something. You're the only person who starts to excavate and retrieve things, and your colleagues doing the same thing. So you have to work very closely together to put all the jigsaw puzzles together to reconstruct the past. And that working together, that's really fascinating. I found the greatest finds, lots of shipwrecks, but also those little finds that tell something about persons. That really fascinates me. During the StepTalk I will talk about a really fascinating excavation. It's from the Rooswijk, a VOC ship from the Dutch East India Company. A ship that left on the 9th of January 1740 in the winter. It was very cold and it left for the Dutch East Indies. And only after one day it wrecked on the Goodwin Sands on the coast of England. And this ship was completely lost. Nobody knew anything about it anymore up until around 2000 when it was discovered by a sports diver. And now we are excavating it and retrieving all sorts of evidence of the people on board, how the ship was built, what they were doing on the way to the East Indies, and what also they were smuggling, because I will also talk about the smuggling of silver. So come to the StepTalks in The Hague at 4:30 on the 8th of November, and I will tell all about the ship. And if you have more questions, you can directly ask it to me.